Emily? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Get that out of your mouth. Get it out. I don't want to pull your teeth out. Just let it go. Really, let it go. Now there's teeth marks in it.
And my spits on it.
Yeah. Good thing you're the only one that sits up there. You are some kind of special.
Are you still recording me?
Yeah. I'm just waiting for the next stupid thing to happen. But no more biting the seatbelt.
Why? It's fun.
Because it's not food. Get it out of your mouth.
What's that?
That is a sign over there.
What's it say? I can't read it.
Bass. I can read it in my phone. The reflection of my phone. Get it out of your mouth!
It's not my mouth. Not in it.
No.
People are crazy.
Yep, and I'm related to them. I have a feeling that everyone that we're related to is probably every crazy person in the world. They're just all our relatives no matter what.
Probably. Because,
except for the ones that kill people, we can't claim them.
no, we don't kill people.
We're just, get it out of your mouth. We're just crazy fun.
Yeah. I want to play Jungle Cat.
No, we don't have a cat.
I have cheetah print.
That's not a cat. That doesn't make you a cat.
Tiny paws up the hill.
That's the fox song. You gotta do the cat song from Big Bang Theory.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty,
Warm kitty, purr, purr, purr.
warm kitty, purr, purr, purr. Purr.
We're all a bunch of insane people.
What other song can I sing? But first, let me take a selfie.
I can't do the beat thing. Okay, Emily, say bye.
Bye, Emily.
I didn't say bye, Emily. I said, Emily, okay, say bye.
Okay, say bye.
You still don't get it right.
Cleaning crew.
Cleaning crew. Emily.
Seatbelt. Phone case.
Okay, just keep the seatbelt out of your mouth.
Stop sign. Stop sign. Stop. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to.
Get it out of your mouth!
It's so good though!
It is not beef jerky.
But it's like keeps my mouth from talking.
Which is a plus, but still no.
Nah. You're bullies.
No, I just don't need teeth marks in my seatbelt. People will wonder what the heck I was making you do.
Gagging me. Help! I need adult assistance!
I am an adult.
Darn it. I need assistance from someone who's not trying to confine me.